Hey guys, it's Tina here. In today's episode of Tina Tries It, I'll be doing something a little bit different. Instead of trying a product out, I will be learning a new skill. So today I've invited an expert to teach me how to do Jagua tattoos.
Hi everyone, I'm Simin. I'm a freelance Jagua Tattoo Artist in Singapore, and I've been doing Jagua tattoos for about 3 years now. So I draw using Jagua gel, which is made up of a fruit juice from a fruit called Jagua Americana, which originates from South America. So it's totally organic and it's safe for skin, but the catch is it's totally different from henna. Usually people will confuse the two of them together, but Jagua is completely different because it's made up of a fruit while henna is made up from a plant. And Jagua, the beautiful thing about Jagua is that it stains a beautiful tattoo blue like this, and it lasts for about 2 to 3 weeks.
I'm excited to try out a new craft and especially excited because I will be practicing on my boyfriend, Alfred.
Well, as usual, I wasn't expecting it at all. I wasn't even ready. I thought I was just going to be behind the camera, but Tina thought it was a good idea to make me the model. Yeah, so I've seen some photos on Simon's Instagram account and the work that she's done, and it looks freaking amazing. It looks like a real tattoo, so I'm pretty excited about that. And with Tina's work, I am less than very excited.
I learned this the hard way, but Jagua does not allow for mistakes. So once it touches your skin, the very second that it touches your skin, it will stain your skin. So it explains all this.
Fingers crossed I don't stuff this up because Alfred's gonna be really mad.
Yeah, I think I told Tina if her tattoo turned out really crap.
So for today, I'm gonna teach Tina how to do stenciling first and a little bit of the techniques on the Jagua, and then we'll just go straight onto Alfred to practice on real skin.
Okay, so I've got Simon here and she's going to show me how to stencil. I've chosen 2 designs for Alfred's lovely arms. We've got 2 skull designs. Simon's going to do the more intricate one, of course. And then I'm going to do this one, the skull with the floral designs. So, shall we get started?
Yes, let's. Okay, so for stenciling, we're gonna need to use a carbon paper. So it looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
This is the reason why we printed out the design, so you can just draw on it.
So I just use a regular pen and I'm just going to trace out the designs, and that's just going to transfer so we can transfer it onto Alfred's arm.
Absolutely correct.
Kind of like a real tattoo. Is that what they do for real tattoos?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I do too.
Okay, I'm so legit right now, guys. Okay.
Ryan Little.
So for the first exercise, I'm just gonna teach Gina how to draw very simple lines to get her get the hang of using a squishy pen.
Yeah, okay. So this kind of looks like just like a henna tattoo cone.
It kind of works in the same way, but then when you apply it, then you understand how it's kind
The
of different.
consistency is different. Okay.
Correct.
All right, so
Yeah. Okay, so you can follow the lines.
I'm just going to squeeze, right?
Yeah. Just gonna squeeze and get used to how it feels and how you move.
Oh, it's very thin. I was picturing it more like henna, like a thick sort of
Paste, right?
paste.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's actually very thin and it doesn't look black. It kind of looks more like a grey. Ugh.
It's okay. Baby steps.
I was going so well that I was just like completely off the line. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm done with my
Crash
Jagua
course.
Tattoo 101 for dummies. Maybe we'll get you to do the the intricate design on Alfred first, then I can kind of see it in action.
Okay.
And then it will be my turn. Okay, guys? Alrighty, so Simon obviously killed it with this tattoo on Alfred's right arm. Now it is my turn, baby. How you feeling?
Not as nervous because you have a
Because I have
You
a
have a cheat
stencil.
sheet.
I have a cheat sheet. Okay, so apparently I just have to spray a little bit of like liquid Dettol onto this paper towel or wipe the area. Oh my god, I feel like a real tattoo artist right now. Just gonna disinfect the area. And then,
disinfect. Is it really for disinfecting?
and then place it down this way. Right. I don't even know.
No, yeah, that's right.
Am I doing it
Yep.
correctly?
Yep.
Do you want it here?
Higher.
Higher?
Yep. No, not too high.
Here?
Yep. Yep.
Like here?
Mhm.
Okay. And then shall I spray a little bit more of this? And then lightly pat it over the stencil. Right. Is it supposed to be like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Thank God it's not going to be a real tattoo. I feel like it's all kind of drenched. Are you ready?
Ready. Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, get a faint line there. Cool.
Can you work with that? I feel like that is a lot of detail in here.
It's alright, I'll just freehand it.
Getting nervous.
Okay, I obviously should put this tattoo upside down. I think it got so much harder when I realized I had to do it upside down.
And it's mirrored. It's like the other way.
What the hell? Guys, my confidence level just dropped to the bottom. So I thought, okay, if I just put it upside down, that's gonna work. But really, it's flipped the other way, it's mirrored. Problem solved. I printed out another sheet and I flipped it. So we're back on track. So I feel so awkward, guys. My armpit's on your arm. Sorry.
It's
I put
so
deodorant
warm.
on today though, do I? Oh my god, I'm shaking. Should I just do a thick line there? Oh my god, it's on.
Point of no return.
That was one line. One line done. Okay. Just gotta go with it.
I'm really impressed by the work. I really knew that Simon's work was going to be amazing, but like I'm really impressed by how well Tina's done for her first try. I mean, she put a lot of time in, and it actually looks legit. feel like this is a really good entryway to getting an actual proper tattoo. If you kind of are thinking about getting one and you're not sure whether or not you want to commit, like these are kind of semi-permanent, so you know, you can give it a go, and if you like, then go for the real thing. But these look actually like real tattoos.
I think Tina did really well for her first time, and the best part was it was a crash course. It wasn't even like the full 3-hour course that I usually do, and she like nailed it completely. So for Jagua tattoos, after I apply it on your skin, you have to wait for about 3 hours for the stain to fully develop on your skin. Then you wash it off with running water, and you just slowly wait for the stain to develop. It takes about 24 to 48 hours for the stain to reach its full color.
Alrighty guys, I feel so relieved. I was so nervous. My armpits were sweating on Alfred's arm. I'm surprised he didn't say anything. It didn't smell. I put deodorant on. But overall, like when I was actually doing it, I felt like I was just in the zone. Are you like that?
Yeah.
You just kind of just like, time just went by so quickly. How long did I take to do that?
An hour actually.
About an hour. An hour. So double the time that you took to do the bigger piece without a stencil.
It's okay, baby steps.
Baby steps, baby steps. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this video, and thank you so much for teaching me your craft.
No problem, thank you for having
She's
me.
the expert, and she's like one of, I guess, like the first ones, the pioneers of Jagua tattoos. So if you guys want to learn more or even check out her work, you can check out her Instagram. It's at hen.drawn, right? I'll leave the link on screen and below so you guys can check it out. Also, if you guys are keen on taking some workshops, she has some local workshops in Singapore. Hopefully you will go international one day, because I think this is amazing. It'll be perfect for Coachella, Splendor, all these festivals.
Hire me, please, hire me.
Yeah, there you go. Here's our plug. Any brands out there that are looking for something different, Cinnamon is the person to contact. Now for this video, instead of me rating the product like I usually do in my other Tina Tries It videos, I would like you guys to rate me. Out of 10, how well do you think I did today? Huh? Would you guys let me tattoo you? I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode of Tina Tries It. If you guys are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, please turn on notifications to stay updated with future videos that I post, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!